Going on, guys? Anthony here. Damn, I haven't said that in a long ass time, but I am back, bro. I'm gonna start uploading on YouTube, just showing you guys more side hustles. I'm gonna introduce a new side hustle, and I know you guys are used to like seeing my other side hustles such as Uber Eats, Postmates, etc. Today we're gonna do Amazon Flex, and I'm just gonna take you guys on a day in my life and how you can make over 200 bucks doing this. Today I picked up a block at around 8:45, and it's a 5-hour block, and it pays out to 115 here in California. Typically a 5-hour block, it doesn't even take 5 hours, guys. Like, you get it done in 3 hours or less. Like, I'm not even joking. It's definitely easy money. All you're doing is just, you know, putting packages into your car, just delivering them to the customer. That's pretty much it. The only thing that's stressful is just driving sometimes when there's traffic, but that's it. Like, there's really nothing bad about it. If you guys like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, you know, and let me know where you guys are doing Amazon Flex at. I know there's a couple people doing it over there in Seattle. I had some people over there in Arizona, Vegas, so I've seen that. But I'm curious to see like other states, you know, and how much you guys get paid for like these 5-hour blocks, 3 hours. So, you know, leave a comment down below and let me know. Yo, check it out, guys. I think it looks like I'm not gonna get a block today. Guys, I literally just got the notification. We ain't got no routes. We chilling. 115 free money. Bro, I'll take that any day of the week. So now what I would do is just chill, man. Like, I got all this free time. We ain't gotta pick up a block until 2. We're chilling. You basically have all this time to chill, do whatever you want, run some errands. It really doesn't matter. And a good thing too is I have this direct deposited to my bank account, and I receive my funds the next day. So if I make 200 today, I'm getting it tomorrow, bro. I don't want to hear it. So yeah, man, we're getting all this money quick. And usually like at 2, they give out like $70 and above blocks. So we're probably gonna make around 180 and up, which is good. I'll take that any day. And you're really only putting in like less than 4 hours of work, man. So I'll see you guys when I pick up the 2 o'clock block. And yeah, what's going on, guys? Just woke up from a nap. I literally ate some food and then just fucking knocked out. But we ended up getting another block, and this one's at 2:45 to 5:45, I believe. But it's only gonna take me like 2 hours to finish it. What's going on, guys? So we're about 10 stops away from finishing, and I forgot to just record the loading up process and stuff at the Amazon station. So let me know if you guys want me to do like a separate video showing you guys how to do all that.
Navigation started.
What's going on, guys? So we finished about 10 minutes ago. It's currently 4:56 Pacific Standard Time, if that matters. We in LA. Like I said, guys, I literally only took like 2 hours to complete, literally. And like I said, easy money, 184 bucks. I think I only worked 2 hours today, literally. Got free money in the morning, 115 for that 5-hour block. I didn't get no route. And then we just finished up a 3-hour block, which paid 69 bucks. Finished that in like 2 hours. And yeah, I'd say it's a pretty good day. If you guys like the video, if you guys want to see more of this content, make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. I want to start getting into these type of videos again. I don't know, I enjoy it. I like it personally, and I just want to continue doing this for you guys, and maybe it'll give you guys like an understanding of like different types of side hustle and stuff that you might like. And yeah, guys, let me know if you want to see more videos. That wraps up this day in the life, Amazon Flex, how to make 200 in a day. Yeah, guys, pretty much it. It's been your boy Anthony. Love you guys, and I'm out. Peace.